Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Kunal. Today we are going to talk about this conversation features Lex Fridman and Peter Norvig, director of research at Google and co-author of the influential textbook Artificial Intelligence: A Modern Approach. They discuss the evolution of AI, the importance of education, and the future of human-computer interaction. Key highlights: the evolution of AI education. Norvig explains how his textbooks have evolved over four editions to keep pace with the rapid advancements in computing power hardware like GPUs and TPUs, and the shift from symbolic logic to deep learning. Utility and ethics. The conversation moves to the philosophical challenges of AI, focusing on how to define utility functions, manage fairness and bias, and the difficulty of encoding human values into machine learning systems. Deep learning versus symbolic systems. They discuss the success of deep learning in perception tasks and the ongoing need for presentation and reasoning to bridge the gaps where data is insufficient. Trust and explainability. Norvig explains Norvig emphasizes that instead of just focusing on explainability, we should prioritize trust, validation, and verification of systems. He uses the example of adversarial images to show the limitations of the current models in high dimensional spaces. Programming and education. Reflecting on his famous article Teach Yourself Programming in 10 Years, Norvig discusses how the nature of mastery has changed. He notes that while coding remains important, modern problem solving is often about data analysis, modeling, and using the high level abstractions like TensorFlow rather than building from scratch. The future of human AI interaction. Norvig shares insights from the early days at Google Search and the Muses on the possibility of forming deep connections with AI assistants, drawing a parallel to the human tendency, the entrophies, and find meaning in things that may not be sufficient. Thank you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Good evening. Thank you.